what's up guys? This is my first video talking. So we're trying out a new bee swarm. I think I've played the original of this. It wasn't as colorful. Still looks like the same layout though. I think I had like quadrillions and stuff in that. I like how in these other bee swarm games, you just are allowed to just fill up your backpack really fast. It's not like super grindy until you get like end game. I am usually quiet, so I probably won't be talking that much, so it might be silent a lot. Oh, I wish I had 10 bees. I could get a lot of loot right here. Yo, my game is so laggy, bruh. Stop with the sprouts! Can you stop with the sprouts? My game is so laggy, bro. I wonder how much honey does it cost for the next bee? Of course, it's the original 1,000. Can I get a bigger backpack? How much does it cost? Oh, thank God. I do not want to be doing that. Just realize it's going to take me forever to get 5 bees. Stop with the sprouts! Give me an egg. I need an egg. You know, like these new bee swarm games have like 2 types of currency, honey and then like their own currency, which I think is pretty cool. Yo! Almost got violated. Wait a second. Should I start with 10 trees or should I think I'll just start with 50 trees because I'm going to take a wild guess. Oh, yep, I had a feeling it would be 50 or 1. I don't even ask him to put in custom. Bro, this person is still going with the sprouts, bro. I need to get 10 bees. Freaking expensive, bro. I need a better tool. This tool is dog water. I need, of course, the magnets out of my region, honey. I need 5 bees. If I remember correctly from the original game, yep, there's an instant converter over there. Where is the rhino beetle going? Whatever. I wish I could go into the 5B zone so I can just convert this. Wait, can I complete this quest before my backpack fills up? Thank God. And I got a silver egg. Okay, I'll take it though. Faster converting for me. I got a brave bee, really? And of all things I could have gotten, I got a brave bee. Whatever. I like their own designs though. This server is so freaking laggy. Can you stop with the sprouts? It's taking my bees so long to convert because of this person. Wait, I should probably buy another bee so this goes by faster. 2.25 thousand. I need these bees quick. Takes me 5 years just to convert. I need that thing. That instant converter. Instant converter. Badly. Convert. I should probably go buy a tool as well. 100%, the 100% best magnet ever. Sure it is, sure it is. Maybe it's the only magnet ever, and that's probably why. I'm just gonna skip until I'm done. I'm just gonna pause the video until I'm done converting. So after 5 years, I'm finally done converting. What is my quest? Dang! Well, oh yeah, this magnet is definitely the best magnet ever. I can't even lie. Yo, my beach just violated that guy, bro. Do I already have instant conversion or something? Why am I... You know what? Whatever. I need a better bee than a basic bee. And then I just get... Okay. I guess it works. I'll skip until I'm done converting. After 5 years, I'm finally done converting. I need to get back to, Honeyfield. Oh yeah, I also got another bee while I was converting because I had enough honey, so I just bought it to convert faster. I just need to collect blue pollen. Well, like again, I'll be back. Well, I'm not done converting, but I will be able to instantly convert everything because now I have 5 bees. So I'm gonna make my way over here. I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. What for you guys was like a second, took like 5 minutes for me. But, anyways, finally I get to convert without having to do anything. Anyway, let's go and get back to this quest. I need a bigger backpack. How much does it cost? 5,000 is kind of crazy for the next backpack. Alright, big back bear. Not trying to be rude. And you only give me 500 honey. Now you're banned. I know that sounds weird to hear from a YouTuber, but that's not Queso, but he's... Ooh! That fire bee actually looks pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. Not to be cringe or anything, but that kind of looks fire. Oh, are those the evictions? I think those are the evictions, right? Yeah, eviction. How much does it cost for my next bee? That's expensive. Yo. No, this magnet's insane. I can't even lie. Finally, I get to get a new backpack. I feel like this game is a little bit more grindy than the original. I have a new backpack. I should either save up for the Super Scooper or... Why do I have 688.8 and then a bunch of zeros and then 1? Oh, I have to get Palmer with Sunflower Field. Well, I can't do that right now. I will be posting like 2 to 3 times per day, depending on my schedule. I do school for like I do school for like, what is it? Man, I can't think. I do school from 8 to 12, so I won't be posting in that time. Now, I don't really know much about the time differences, because I don't know what's the difference between EST and the other one. I don't know if it is EST, but... Okay. Alrighty, let's see what else I need. There was a bigger backpack. I should probably get that. Let's go zoom out. Bigger backpack, or should I get the Honey Dipper? I think I'll get a bigger backpack first. Get the boots, and then next I want to get the Honey Dipper, which costs 9.3 thousand. Let's go ahead, just start working on it. Wait a second, how much is the first sprinkler? Is it like the regular price? 10,000? Okay. I definitely need the basic sprinkler. Actually, I probably don't even need that right now. I just want the sprinkler. There we go. Then we have to go to my inventory. There we go. Finally, I have a sprinkler. Next is the Honey Dipper. I had to cut the video because I had to do something, so that's why I was just standing still and stuff. I'm not talking at all. Well, technically it was a second for you guys, but you know what I mean. I'll just get the porcelain dipper instead. Let's go. Oh, yeah. That's nice. Oh, my gosh. Oh, yeah, that pollen. Yes, sir. Yo, I need a better sprinkler, bro. Oh, better backpack. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Yeah, I definitely need a better sprinkler. It's not cutting it. 70K? I mean, that's not that much, but, like, these flowers are getting violated. Pause. Come on, I need 70K. Alright, I have 70K now. I need the Supreme Saturator. But that's 300K. It's not that much if you think about it, but still. Then just another one, because I don't feel like moving. Yo. Not even these can do anything. Maybe I'll just say with 300k for the Supreme. I'll be right back. Alright, I gotta be honest, I'm back. But these sprinklers, wow. They went up actually surprisingly fast, but they just can't keep up with the Porcelain Dipper. I mean, it's the Porcelain Dipper. What can you do? Like, honestly, this thing is insane. The OG type thing. Like, this used to be the best thing in the game. Oh my gosh, I just purchased the Diamond Drenchers. I sold. Alrighty, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. These still are pretty bad. They can't even cover the thing. How? They can't even handle the power. Anyways, no pun intended. I don't understand how that would be pun, but like, you know what I mean? Anyways, I just got full gear. I actually look like a person now instead of a weird noob with porcelain backpack and porcelain dipper. With regular boots and nothing else. I know this video is long, but like this game was really fun for me back then, so I just want to play it. Finally, I got the Supreme Saturator. Well, I'm gonna wrap it up here. If you want me to do this again, play this game again, let me know. Or just like the video. Both work. See ya.